everybody, you're probably wondering what I'm doing down here. I just thought I would take this little moment to do a quick little video about these flat top blades by Torquata. They come in a 4 and 6 mil kerf. They are very useful for doing small thin dados. Myself personally, I use them to put the dado that the drawer bottoms go into whenever I make a drawer. They're also very useful for hogging out tenons when you're doing mortise and tenon joinery. Now, they do come in a 4 and a 6 mil thickness, but if you have both the 4 and the 6 and a nifty little set of shims, you can make them into a 10, which is how we have them set up here in the workshop at Timbecon. We are in the middle of shooting a video all about Incra's iBox box joint jig. And for this particular application, doing box joints or finger joinery, whatever you want to call it, they're absolutely perfect. Now, the difference between a flat top blade and a traditional blade is that the traditional blade has angled top teeth. That makes them brilliant for what they're supposed to do, for ripping and cross cuts and whatnot. It makes them cut through the timber very efficiently, but it also leaves a bit of a V shape to the top of your cut because this tooth angles that way and this tooth angles that way, and they alternate all the way around. You can use this, but you then have to clean out the bottom of your dado to get everything to seat perfectly, cleanly. Whereas this one makes a perfectly clean dado every time. For more information on this and everything you need to know to get woodworking, check out www.timbecon.com.au or check the links down in the doobly-doo. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. I have been Schinbein, and I will see you when I see you.